CAD drawing symbols are essential for clear and consistent communication in engineering and design. Several organizations establish standards for these symbols, including the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, or ASME, and the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. Understanding these standards is crucial for creating and interpreting technical drawings accurately. ANSI standards are widely used in the United States. They cover a broad range of technical disciplines, including drafting and CAD. ANSI standards ensure that drawings are consistent and easily understood across different industries and organizations. These standards provide guidelines for symbol usage, line types, dimensioning, and other important aspects of technical drawings. Engineers, designers, and drafters rely on ANSI standards to create professional and accurate drawings. ASME standards focus primarily on mechanical engineering aspects. These standards are vital for designing and manufacturing mechanical components and systems. ASME standards for CAD symbols cover topics such as geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, welding symbols, and piping symbols. These standards are essential for ensuring the safety, reliability, and performance of mechanical equipment. ASME standards are recognized and adopted globally. ISO standards offer an international perspective on CAD drawing symbols. ISO standards are developed through a consensus-based process involving experts from various countries. These standards aim to promote worldwide consistency in technical drawings. ISO standards cover a wide range of symbols, including electrical symbols, architectural symbols, and process flow symbols. Adhering to ISO standards facilitates international collaboration and trade. When working with CAD drawings, it is important to select the appropriate standard based on the project requirements and the intended audience. Some projects may require compliance with ANSI standards, while others may necessitate adherence to ASME or ISO standards. Understanding the differences between these standards is crucial for creating accurate and effective drawings. The choice of standard also depends on the industry sector and the specific application. For example, the automotive industry often relies on specific ISO standards, while the aerospace industry may adhere to certain ASME standards. In some cases, organizations may develop their own internal standards that are based on or adapted from ANSI, ASME, or ISO standards. These internal standards provide additional guidance and clarification for specific company practices. To effectively utilize CAD drawing symbols, it is important to consult the relevant standard documents. These documents provide detailed explanations of each symbol, including its meaning, usage, and application. Standard documents also often include examples and illustrations to help users understand how to properly use the symbols in their drawings. In addition to consulting standard documents, it is helpful to use CAD software that supports these standards. Most professional CAD software packages include libraries of standard symbols that can be easily inserted into drawings. These libraries ensure that the symbols are accurate and consistent with the relevant standards. It is also important to properly train CAD users on the correct usage of CAD drawing symbols. Training should cover the meaning of each symbol, its application in different contexts, and the relevant standard requirements. Proper training helps to ensure that drawings are accurate, consistent, and easily understood by all stakeholders. Maintaining consistency in CAD drawings is crucial for avoiding errors and misinterpretations. Inconsistent symbol usage can lead to confusion and costly mistakes. To ensure consistency, it is important to establish clear guidelines and procedures for creating and managing CAD drawings. These guidelines should address topics such as symbol selection, line types, dimensioning, and annotation. Regularly auditing CAD drawings can also help to identify and correct inconsistencies. Audits should be performed by experienced drafters or engineers who are familiar with the relevant standards. In addition to adhering to standards, it is important to consider the clarity and readability of CAD drawings. Drawings should be well organized and easy to understand. Symbols should be clearly labeled and positioned. Line types should be distinct and easily distinguishable. Dimensions should be accurate and clearly displayed. Annotations should be concise and informative. Using a consistent drawing style can also improve clarity and readability. This includes using the same fonts, line weights, and color schemes throughout the drawing. Consistency in style helps to create a professional and visually appealing drawing. When creating CAD drawings, it is important to consider the intended audience. The level of detail and the complexity of the drawing should be appropriate for the target users. For example, a drawing intended for manufacturing purposes may require more detail than a drawing intended for marketing purposes. It is also important to consider the language and cultural background of the intended audience. Symbols and conventions that are commonly used in one country may not be understood in another country. Therefore, it is important to adapt the drawing to the specific needs of the target audience. Collaboration is essential in the CAD drawing process. Engineers, designers, and drafters often work together to create and review drawings. Effective communication and collaboration are crucial for ensuring that drawings are accurate and meet the project requirements. Using a common CAD platform and sharing drawings electronically can facilitate collaboration. Cloud-based CAD platforms allow multiple users to access and edit drawings simultaneously. This can significantly improve efficiency and reduce the risk of errors. Version control is also important in collaborative CAD projects. Version control systems track changes to drawings and allow users to revert to previous versions if necessary. This helps to prevent data loss and ensures that the latest version of the drawing is always available. In addition to using standard CAD software, there are a number of specialized tools and resources available for CAD drawing. These include symbol libraries, CAD templates, and online tutorials. Symbol libraries provide collections of pre-drawn symbols that can be easily inserted into drawings. CAD templates provide pre-configured drawing settings that can save time and effort. Online tutorials offer step-by-step instructions on how to create and manage CAD drawings. Staying up to date with the latest CAD technology and best practices is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. The CAD industry is constantly evolving, with new software features and techniques being developed all the time. Attending conferences, reading industry publications, and participating in online forums can help you stay informed about the latest trends. Continuous learning is also important for improving your CAD skills. Taking courses, attending workshops, and practicing regularly can help you develop your expertise in CAD drawing. In summary, understanding and applying CAD drawing symbol standards is crucial for creating accurate, consistent, and effective technical drawings. ANSI, ASME, and ISO standards provide valuable guidance for symbol usage, line types, dimensioning, and other important aspects of technical drawings. By adhering to these standards, you can ensure that your drawings are easily understood by all stakeholders and that your projects are successful.